Yeah.
Here's another weird one. Another one perfect for the times. This guy was hiding in the Chicago airport or O'Hare for 3 months. And he finally got caught, and he said the reason he was in there is he was hiding from COVID. Which I don't know that the airport is the best place to hide from it, but there's a lot of unanswered questions here. So he is originally from Orange, California. So they were trying to figure out first, why is he in Chicago, first of all, in the airport for 3 months?
So he lives in California.
That's his address.
Oh.
Yeah, he claims to be from Orange, California. He was asked why he hasn't flown home. He cited COVID. And the way that he got caught is he actually had the badge on of an actual airport worker, and he was in a restricted area of the airport for 3 months. And so now people are saying, wait a second, how do you pull that off? Oh, by the way, the person whose badge he had, they reported it missing. There's nothing happened to that person or anything.
Okay.
No need to do a whole Netflix series over here, okay? But he got the badge somehow, and they found it. And here's a quote from the court. The court finds these facts and circumstances quite shocking for the alleged period of time that this occurred. Being in a secured part of the airport under a fake ID badge, allegedly, based upon the need for airports to be absolutely secure so that people feel safe to travel, I do find the alleged actions do make him a danger to the community. So, yeah, a lot of unanswered questions, but just bizarre enough to make it on the tail end of the show here.
Interesting.